Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve the equation 7 to the power of x plus 7 to the power of x plus 7 to the power of x is equal to 777. So, my only variable in this equation is x, so that's what I'm going to be solving for. And now for my solution. So I'm going to first rewrite this down here so I have a little more solving space. So I have 7 to the power of x plus 7 to the power of x plus 7 to the power of x is equal to 777. And notice how I have 3 of the same terms on my left-hand side, and they're all being added to each other, meaning the simplest way I can simplify this is simply by factoring out 7 to the power of x. So now, if I factor out 7 to the power of x, I get 7 to the power of x times, well, 7 to the power of x divided by 7 to the power of x is 1. So I get 7 to the power of x times 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 777. Now from here, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. So I get 7 to the power of x times 3 is equal to 777. And now we obviously want to isolate x, so we can do that by getting rid of this 3 by dividing both sides by 3. So then these two 3's cancel out, and I'm left with 7 to the power of x is equal to 777 divided by 3, which is equal to 259. So now from here, I have a smaller equation that I got from my larger equation at the start. So to solve this, well, 7 to the power of 1 is equal to 7, 7 to the power of 2 is equal to 49, and 7 to the power of 3 is equal to 343. So we know that x is going to be somewhere in between 2 and 3, and it's going to be a decimal. So now that we know that, how are we going to find the value of x? Well, what we can do is use logarithms. So what I'm going to do is take the log on both sides. So I have log 7 to the power of x is equal to log of 259. And now, the helpful thing about logarithms is they come with a useful property. The property is if I have something in the form log a to the power b, I can move this exponent b to the front. So this is the same thing as b times log a. So in this case, I have log 7 to the power of x, and I can move x to the front. So now I get x times log 7 is equal to log of 259. Now from here, I want to isolate x, and now that it's a term, all I have to do is get rid of this log 7 by dividing both sides by log 7. So then these two log 7's cancel out, and I get x is equal to log of 259 over log of 7. Now log 259, I can rewrite that as log of 7 times 37, and now I have this over log 7. And if I have something in the form log of a times b, this is equal to log a plus log b. So log of 7 times 37 is going to equal log of 7 plus log of 37, and I have this over log of 7. So this is my answer to this equation.